Hi guys, we are reconnected. We are officially reconnected to the stream. We are officially live. Let me see. There you go. We are back. We are back live. So let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, let me share this link. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's continue from that era. So okay. So you want to automate how you scrap YouTube. And automating how you scrap YouTube, it's very simple. I want to see the content that I feed or from my feed is very different. Whatever is trending in a certain topic, in AI, in whatever field it's trending, then um, then whatever is trending, then I can basically automate that. Now that's what I want to automate for today. And so let's do it. So let's do it. Yeah, number now. So let's do it. Make sure that you like the live. You can comment. You can say hi on the chat. You can say hi on the chat. So let's go. There you go. Let's go. There you go. So okay. So this is what we want to automate today. Let me show you. Let me show you what we want to automate. So assume that you want to search a certain topics on YouTube. Then you want to get that feed on your WhatsApp, your Telegram, or whatever platform of your choice. Now assume you want to do that. Assume now you want to do all that. Now in CIQ offers all these tools that you can scrap and automate anything that you feel like you want to automate. For example, you can automate anything that you want. For example, in our previous session, when you check at the previous video, we automated something different. We automated what is X here. Here we automated X, that you can scrap any content from X, Indeed, or YouTube, and whatever content that you scrap, then you can repurpose it and then post it again on your X, your LinkedIn, whatever platform that you want to post in. Now, that is what this repurposing did. Okay, so Now we want to scrap YouTube and get the most relevant trending topics. So let me show you one scenario before you go into the hard stuff. So this is how it works. Every single day, 8:30 a.m., trigger this workflow. Basically, activate this workflow. Then after you activate it, just go to YouTube, search certain videos with certain topics, the kind of relevance, the location, the duration of the video, published date, maximum results, or that is the maximum number of results I want to get back. Then analyze that with the AI. Make sure that you basically analyze whatever you want to analyze. You're going to set up this one manually, so it's not hard. I want to see the top hashtags, top trending hashtags, viral patterns, all those kind of stuff. And after automating that, now I can get a report. What is this kind of report? This report tells me, we went on the web that is on YouTube. We started certain videos that you gave us or you were requesting. Then this is the result that we got. So I can stay in loop with whatever is trending in certain domains or in certain fields. So basically, that is the automation that we are looking forward automating. Looking forward to automating. So let's do this. So let's do. Just go to siriq.com. Just go to siriq.com. Then create your account. Then you are going to see how to automate that. Just go to siriq.com. siriq.com. Then on that chat, you can check out the link on the chat. All right, so it's posting. It's coming, that link. So let's do this. Let's automate or create this kind of workflow. But you don't have to worry when you are using Siriq. You don't have to overthink. You can build with AI. Let me just create the first workflow. You can either browse templates in case you don't want to do a lot of stuff. You can browse templates. The templates should be here. So you can browse any free templates or any paid templates. Then you can use these different templates. Or you can do it manually. You can do it by yourself by dragging and dropping. By drag and drop, you can drag and drop whatever nodes that you feel like. Then you can connect all these nodes. If you want to do it manually. But in case you are too lazy, or maybe you don't know what you want to automate, the idea is not so clear, you can use the AI builder. So in the AI builder, you can just request it to build uh, for me YouTube scrapper. Then I can just submit as simple as build for me a YouTube scrapper. So you can just wait for it and be assured that Siriq will build that agent for you with 4 nodes. There you go. You can apply the nodes. In case you're wondering where the nodes are, they are right here. So let me delete this mine I added and find these new nodes. There you go. There you go. So the same logic here. See? The scheduler, the YouTube scrapper, trend analyzer, trend report. In case you are too lazy, you don't want to overthink doing this. So you can do this with this Siriq AI. So you don't have to overthink whatever you want to automate. So it should be that easy. So let's configure all these nodes. You see, I've built with AI. I've built with AI, so it's not. I can do YouTube scrapper. YouTube scrapper demo. YouTube scrapper like demo. So that is my agent name. Let me save this workflow. No way, not my internet again. But it should be working. It should be working, no problem. Worry not. Live demo. Here we go. It was just caching some few issues right here. Now, I want us to build this agent very quick. Very, very quick. First of all, this scheduler trigger, I'll configure it the last thing. So let's first configure the YouTube scrapper. So for the YouTube scrapper, I want to configure several items. So these items, I want to do video search. I want to do video search, trending videos. This is a network, yeah, it's fine. So channel videos, no problem. Trending videos, let me do video search. You can do any you want. My search query, I want to do anything to do with electric cars. We call them EVs, electric cars, bracket EVs, electric vehicles. Let me just add some few words, Tesla, some just random words to do with electric vehicles. So basically, it's good. It will go to YouTube and scrap anything to do with Tesla's electric vehicles, all those kind of search queries. Tesla, let me just leave it there. So let me see my relevance. Relevance should be whatever. In case I want to determine my trending criteria is relevance, video count, view count, um, dates, or rating. Let me just leave by default, the default one. Then the region, I can leave default as US. Video duration. So video duration basically tells you how long the video should be. So I want to do 4 to 20 minutes. 4 to 20 minutes. Published date. I want to do any video released, let's say this year. January. Yeah, there you go. Any video released on 1st of January 2026. And I want like 10 videos. 10. You can leave everything as default. Then with that, imagine you have configured the YouTube scrapper. You don't have to now go create your scrapper with code. So the next thing that I need to do is to configure the trend analyzer. The trend analyzer basically emphasizes more on whatever trending criteria that you are talking about. So I can see everything here by default is configured. So let me leave everything as default right here. Oh, industry. Industry, this should be electric vehicles. Electric. Any should work. So any should work perfectly. So let's see what's not working. So we have done the engagement. Now we can do the report. The report, I just need to leave everything as default. All this because I used AI, everything is already configured for me. So the company name you can basically say your name. name, or whatever that you want to. The report name, in short, whenever you're sending someone a report, you have to. So that is the report name that I want. And this should be Silver IQ Electric Cars Reports. Silver IQ Electric Cars Reports. And I think I should leave everything else as default. I need 10 S tags maximum. There you go. Imagine with this, I'm going to get my own report. But where am I going to get my report to? I can decide to send it to WhatsApp, Telegram, or I can add it to Docs. It depends. So I prefer Telegram. So I'm going to add the Telegram node. So basically, to get the nodes are right here. You can scroll on your left, or you can just type here search. So Telegram. So I'm going to add the Telegram node right here. So you can add the Telegram node as the last thing. So I need to connect my bot here. So in your case, it will tell you connect in case you have never connected with Telegram with CRIQ. You tell you to connect your Telegram. So in case you don't know how to connect, you just need to go to Telegram and create a bot. A bot is basically just your own bot. And how do you create your bot? Just search for bot further. Just go here in your search, then search for bot further. Then search for bot further. Then it will ask you several questions. Welcome here, just click start, then create new bot. You just type like, for example, slash new bot. Then it will guide you on how to create the new bot, whatever you want to create from further. So new bot, it will ask you the bot name, then it will give you the token. So this is the token that it will give you. So these are API key, or these access token. So once it gives you the access token, this access token, that is the bot further for your own bot, it will tell you how to talk to the bot. You can see it's already guiding me how to talk to the bot. So the moment that you get this bot, this token, then that's when you go back to Sira and then it will show you where to paste this bot name. To show you where to post or to configure the bot. Then after you configure, it's very easy. You just need to select the action, and the action is either receive or send. I'm going to send a notification to Telegram. So the notification will be very simple. It will say, "Hi Evans, um, here, eh, here are your electric we electric cars. Let's just use cars for review. Let's say, for example, I was researching about electric cars. So I just need to select title, something like this. You just need to add the variables, the report title, then after the report title, post. So this is the right way to configure. So this is the right way to configure this. So in practical way, this is the kind of report that you'll get. For example, this is the report that you are going to get. I have a report, then your list of videos, the list of videos. But before I continue, I want to make it a real AI agent. So a real AI agent, it will trigger itself. It will tell itself when to do some certain tasks. It will tell itself every day 8 a.m. now activate all this. That's when we will set up a trigger. That's when you set up the trigger node. That's when you set up this trigger. So the schedule trigger, I can, let's say every day, on daily basis, every single day at 9 a.m. and the start date will be October 28th. So today we are on 27th. So the start date will be tomorrow, 9 a.m. African Nairobi. Then this workflow will, then it will give me the list of these electric vehicles. But because we are doing it practically, we can try to see if this works. So this is the final hub. So just run, click run, then wait for the match to see if you are going to get a report. Okay, this one canvas is locked. There you go. Executed successfully. So let me just go back to my Telegram and I was requesting for electric vehicles. So there you can see my new report. Check the time 16:37 just now. You can see my vehicle advanced into electric car use on the attempt report. Then why the title video title why electric cars matter more. So I can see this video. Let me see if this video is electric cars. So this one is basically talking about electric cars, electric vehicles, how they work, and see how efficient, how they are manufactured, how efficient that board is. Just like that. Let me just do another one. Is this the serious Tesla Model Y alternative? Let me see which car is this. Let me check in, and it should give me a valid car. Yeah, there you go. Now we have our electric cars right here. You can see it's very trendy, 51,000 views. This one talking about this new electric vehicle. So that's how you can use CRIQ to do any kind of automation, and this automation can be used anywhere, anytime. You can repurpose it to deal with whatever you want. Otherwise, that's the automation that otherwise that is the automation that we add for today. Very simple automation, but really, really useful kind of automation. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope to see you next week, next Wednesday. We're going to automate something crazy that is in the field of HR, in the field of talent acquisition, all those kind of automations. And we are going to show you some new features that we have in C-Like. Like how can you connect different workflows at the same time, like 10 different workflows, and then you can execute by themselves. Let's say this workflow ends, then you can connect another workflow. Now, how can you connect WhatsApp into your automation and just get notifications on WhatsApp from CRIQ? So all these kind of automations now we are going to get deep dive into the next session during the next. So basically that's it for today. Thank you guys. I appreciate joining. See you next week, same time. Make sure that you like or subscribe. Have a lovely day.